Hello, my bacon lovers, and welcome to another edition of Destination Bacon. And today we are going to be making a low-carb, paleo-friendly meal. It's going to be a zucchini noodle salad with bacon and tomatoes. Oh, it's going to be pretty, so it's going to be visually pleasing and oh so scrumptious because it has that bacon. Stay tuned for this week's episode. We're going to be using this spiralizer for our zucchini to make our zoodles. If you don't have one, you can literally pick one up at Walmart for like, I don't know, 10, 15 bucks. Definitely get one. It will make your life a lot easier. All right, we are frying up our bacon. I've probably got maybe a little more than half a pound in there. So it will take a few minutes and then I'll dry it on a paper towel. Let's start spiralizing. You want to catch your noodles in your bowl and just look how pretty the ribbons that it makes. You're going to spiralize 3 of these zucchinis, or if you're feeding a lot of people, obviously more. But just look how pretty those are, the ribbons. Okay, keep spiralizing away until you have done all 3. And now you want to cut your cherry tomatoes in half. This is going to add some nice bright color. And these are sweet. And going to add a nice burst of flavor to this dish. Alrighty, you've got about a cup or a cup and a half of these little guys. So we're going to keep on having them. Next, you're going to want to crumble the bacon. I fried this nice and crispy. So now we're just going to put it in little teeny tiny pieces. So it's going to give it the wonderful smoky bacon flavor you are craving. All right, keep on crumbling, guys. Next, taking a small bowl, I'm going to combine 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And then I'm also going to add to that my lemon juice. And we want about half a tablespoon or so. Watch those seeds. Maybe just a little more. Okay. And then you're going to want to add your garlic powder. And that's only about 1/4 teaspoon. And then you're also going to add about 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. And then I'm also going to add 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. And then we're going to mix all of that together. Just whisk it. And see how nice and emulsified it's kind of become here. Nice thick consistency. That's what we want. And now it's time to add all of our ingredients together. So I've got my spiralized zoodles. Gonna add the cherry tomatoes that I halved. And then you're going to add your delicious smoky bacon. And you're really supposed to use fresh basil. However, I didn't have any. So we're just going to use some dried basil just to give it that flavor. Just sprinkle it on there. And last but not least, you will toss it in the dressing that you whisked together. All right, let's toss this and it will be ready to serve. This is a cold salad, so really this probably would be quite scrumptious in the summertime, but I think this is a delicious, healthy salad for any time of the year. All right, let's give it the taste test. And here is our zucchini noodle salad with bacon and our cute little piggy dish. This is gonna be yummy. Okay, going for the taste test. So I got a little bit of everything on the first bite. I got the sweetness from the tomatoes, and the zoodles, because they're cold, are quite crunchy. I don't know what I was expecting, but I wasn't expecting that, but it's quite good. The lemon adds a brightness to the dish. The bacon, of course, gives it that savory, wonderful flavor. And I think I would add a little more, I would probably finish the dish with some more cracked black pepper. Yeah, so for you paleo fans, this is something you should try. Again, it would be a great summer salad, but I would even eat it during the winter time. So if you try this recipe, let me know how you like it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.